Is this on video?
Yes. He's recorded.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
I'm gonna edit that.
Cool.
No, wait, I got you.
We're vlogging.
Hey guys,
Yeah, we're vlogging.
so update, this is us after I got hit, I got assaulted in the face.
Her phone just shattered. I think we have the phone. We'll post those photos later. We are!
Today we're gonna
Here's the story. Oh, we were on Accelerator. It's over there. Okay, let me interview the witness.
Basically, we were on Accelerator, right? And so we were chilling. I was like dancing and stuff, right? The ride goes, and I go, raka raka. We're going up, and we're like, yeah. We go down, we're like, yeah. And then I hear Lee go, my phone. I look to the right, I see it fly up. I try and catch it. Boom, it hits my face. And then that's about like
It fell on the ground, like on the side of the ride, so it's total.
Bruh.
That phone is totaled, guys. We'll keep you posted on other updates. We're currently on the log ride line. We gotta sign off, guys.
smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. What?
We tried to get the SIM card out of Aaliyah's phone, didn't work. We tried it with Lauren's earring. Yeah, didn't work.
I was like, for someone who's wanting to see, they probably have seen me in the back. And then she told me to shut the fuck up.
But anyway, not sure this is the greatest idea, but it's fine.
Guys, look at my tongue. I know what happened.
She's kind of weird. It's fine. Well, anyways, that's it for this update. It's a video.
Hi vlog. Okay, so we're at Knott right now. We're about to go on a ride.
Who let you do that? Oh, jump scare.
Put it down.
You want to see the live?
Oh, put it down.
If you didn't know me in my Narcissa era, you don't deserve me in my daddy era.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
More straws. Airston, bearer of straws. It's a video, stupid.
Oh. Bro, you're such a silly goose, Alex. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. So, oh my god, I ship it. Couple goals. Hashtag couple goals.
Where it happens. This is where
Everything's about you.
this is where my phone went through the most dramatic thing it's ever been. And it's 6 years of its existence.
So where are we and where are we going?
Oh, should we go Supreme Screen, guys? I'll put Supreme Screen.
I'll go.
Let's do it.
No, let's do it. Friendship goals. Okay, sign off.
Bye, vlog. Mwah.
Unhand me, you troglodyte.
Gayest people alive right here. Hashtag couple goals. What's up, guys? This is my vlog. We're on the carousel, and I'm taking Instagram photos, I guess. Shit, I'm recording.
Send your pretty ass soon as you come in the door.
Mine's like this big.
Sabrina Carpenter. That's Sabrina Carpenter.
Wait, where?
Right there.
My Shayla. My Shayla.
Sabrina Carpenter.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah.
like my name.
Probably not the bedazzled one. No, I unfortunately know that they have Alexander.
Let me see if I'm here. Andrea, Angel, Angie.
They're all women.